everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to do increases and decreases using the double crochet stitch. And to show you how to do that, I'm going to use a project I'm actually currently working on. So for an increase, it's pretty straightforward. If your pattern says to say increase 3 in your next stitch, basically all you're going to do is do 3 double crochets in your one singular stitch so that you could increase the amount of stitches. So here on the top of my crest here I have 2 sets of 3 increasing, and then to show the decrease I need to get down to my spot here. These are just normal double crochets. And for the double crochet decrease, there's more than one way of doing it. How I like to do it is I'm going to do my yarn over. I'm going to go in, grab a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through my next, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and then I'm going to go through 3, yarn over, go through 3. So that's a decrease. So for here, I'm decreasing from 3 stitches to 1 stitch. To illustrate that again, I yarned over, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3. And so this works really nicely for a decrease because since these are 3 partial stitches, you will have less holes in your project, so that just keeping gaps to a minimum. Crocheting has a lot of gaps anyways, so to minimize that is great. And it looks really nice and clean. And yeah, that's about it for an increase and a decrease. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again for my next video. Have a great day.